In this video, we're going to talk about DCX instruction. Well, in the previous video, you saw how INX instruction worked, right? So, in INX instruction, you basically incremented the register pair by 1. Well, using DCX instruction, we decrement the register pair value by 1. Okay, the syntax is DCX and then we use a register pair, which means a 16-bit value. Say, we have a value 1, 2, 3, 4H in register pair BC. Now we use DCXB. What this does is bring the value in the pair to 1, 2, 3, 3H. So it basically decreases the 16-bit content by 1, and then you always use a register pair with DCX instruction and with INX instruction.